Alright, so here from the working yarn. Today I'll be showing you how to do the back loop only stitch. So right here I have my yarn and my hook. I did a single row of single crochet and a single row of double crochet. If you need a refresher course or if you don't know how to do these stitches, I'll put in the description below links to these videos that I've made. So let's get started. So we're going to turn our work. For the third row, I'm going to do double crochet. So I need to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And we're not going to stitch into the first stitch, but as you can see, each of the stitches made a V shape. And so it consists of 2 loops. The one closest to you is the front loop, and I've also done a video on crocheting through the front loop only, so I'll put that in the description below as well. And then the one away from you is the back loop. So we're going to be doing double crochets in the back loop only. So wrap the yarn around once, insert the hook through the back loop only, wrap the yarn around once and pull through, and then finish off your double crochet. So once again, insert the hook through the back loop only. So you're only catching one of those loops onto your hook, and then do the double crochet, and then go on to the end. And remember to only insert the hook through the back loop only. And when we get to the end, we'll flip our work so you can see the effect it makes on the yarn. So we'll stop there. As you can see, on the back end, it has this effect, but since we went through the back loop, you can see that the front loop was pushed out, so to say, and created a ribbing effect, which works great if you're doing a scarf or the rim of a hat or the cuffs of a sweater on the sleeves. And that's the back loop only stitch. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll be sure to answer. Also, click on the subscribe button below to be kept updated on all the latest videos from the working yarn. Wherever you are in the world, happy crocheting!